It is time for Street Smart's Top 10. Number 10, Oracle down about 9% right now. Shares of the software giant, they're down after reporting for the second straight quarter that it missed sales. Customers are choosing online applications instead of Oracle's databases. Mark Hurd says economic slowdowns in China and Australia, well, those didn't help much either. Dump.
Well, number 9 is CarMax, down about 0.5%. This after the car lease seller was up as much as 8% earlier today on an earnings beat. The drop came on news out of the conference call where CarMax said that there were concerns about the back half of the year, so a little bit of slowing momentum perhaps for 2H 2013, Jules.
At number 8, we've got Darden Restaurants, a stock down 2%. It's the parent company, of course, of Olive Garden and Red Lobster, and it reported a 12% drop in fourth quarter earnings. It also cut its profit forecast for the year. On the flip side, Darden raised its dividend by 5 pennies to 55 cents, but that wasn't enough to offset that profit forecast cut.
Number 7, Apple down 1% despite winning a patent lawsuit today. A judge ruled that Samsung tablets and smartphones infringed on Apple's visual effects. Separately, the tech giant is still on trial for allegedly conspiring to raise the price of e-books. Today is the final day of the trial.
Well, number 6 is Tesla Motors, down 2%. CEO Elon Musk revealed a battery swapping system for its Model S sedan that charges a lot faster. This comes 2 days after over 1,200 cars were recalled voluntarily by Tesla because of concerns that the backseat passengers might be at risk, Julie.
At number 5, the latest in this deal saga, Dish Network up 3% after the company abandoned its effort to acquire Sprint, the third biggest U.S. wireless carrier. This paves the way for bidding rival SoftBank. Dish didn't specify why it was pulling its offer. Guys, could this finally be the end of this three-way deal situation?
No way. No way, guys.
Actually, 4 ways if you count Clearwire.
No way, because there's still the soap opera over Clearwire, like you said, right? I mean, these guys are still going after what's happening with Clearwire. Dish wants them. SoftBank/Sprint now wants them. I don't know. I think this thing goes on.
You say the drama lives on, huh?
Yeah.
All right, we're going on to number 4 here. Equity Residential up about 4%. This is on a Morgan Stanley note saying that real estate investment trusts with shorter lease terms like apartments are well positioned for rising rates.
Well, number 3, how about that, is Spreadtrum, up 17%. The stock is spiking after a Chinese university offered to buy the mobile chip maker for $1.5 billion. This is the largest semiconductor deal in the last year, if you can imagine that, Julie.
At number 2, Morgan Stanley down more than 0.5%. Morgan Stanley received regulatory approval to buy the rest of Smith Barney, its wealth management joint venture with Citigroup. The price, $4.7 billion. This comes on the same day Morgan Stanley announced that it's going to cut 10% of commodities jobs, as revenue the past 2 quarters was among the worst in 18 years, so the contraction continuing in the financial services industry.
Okay, we're moving on to our number 1 stock of the day, and it's Dell. Dell, looking a bit slack here. CEO Michael Dell saying that Carl Icahn's buyout proposal would hamper efforts to transform the company into a broader provider of business products and services. Michael Dell specified Icahn's proposal would add substantial debt and decrease the financial flexibility for the company. So trying to convince shareholders that he does, in fact, have the better proposal. Here we are coming up on the close here of trading.